In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add white border to image in Canva. This is a quick method to create that clean sticker style outline that makes your photos pop on thumbnails, social posts, or print designs. And it works great whether you are working on desktop or the app. Start by opening your design in Canva. Then upload your image. You can drag and drop it right into the canvas, or use the Uploads tab and place it on the page. Click the image so it's selected in the editor. This ensures the tools we need appear in the side panel. If you want the border to wrap neatly around your subject rather than a rectangle, remove the background. Click Edit Photo or Edit Image. Then choose Background Remover if it's available on your plan. Let Canva detect the subject. If anything looks off around the edges, use the Refine options to clean it up. If you don't have Background Remover, use the manual eraser in the same panel. Zoom in for precision, adjust the brush size, and gently trace around your subject until the backdrop is transparent. Take your time here. Clean edges will give you a smoother border. If your image already has a transparent background, you can skip this part. With the subject ready, go back to Edit Photo and find the Shadows section. Select the outline effect. Canva will generate a default outline around your image. Now, we'll dial it in so it looks professional. Set the color to white. This creates the classic border that stands out on most backgrounds. Next, adjust the size slider to control thickness. A range around 8 to 14 works well for most designs. But choose what suits your canvas size and how bold you want the edge to appear. Then set transparency to 100% so the border is fully solid with no see-through areas. Finally, set blur to 0 to keep the edge crisp and sharp. This is what gives that clean sticker finish. When you are happy with the preview, click Done or Apply to finalize the effect. From here, you can move, rotate, or resize your image as needed, and the border will stay attached. If the outline ever looks uneven, revisit the background removal and clean up the edges. Refined cutouts produce the best border results. That's it. Thanks for watching.